The Not extension identifies a Notion Workspace file containing exported workspace data from the Notion Productivity platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you import, manage, or troubleshoot these workspace data files. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for NOT files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. NOT files are associated with Notion, the productivity and note-taking platform, containing workspace pages, databases, and content blocks. Notion primarily operates as a web and desktop application, with exports typically in Markdown HTML or CSV format, rather than proprietary file extensions. Notion workspace data is stored in Notion's cloud infrastructure and accessed through web browser or desktop and mobile applications. Exported content uses standard formats, including Markdown for text, HTML for formatted content, and CSV for database tables. In most cases, NOT files work best with Notion created by Notion Labs, Inc. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows lacks support for proprietary backup containers, so a matching backup program is required. Open the menu by right-clicking your NOT file and choosing Open with Try Notion first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. If your NOT file will not open, do not worry. This NOT file is proving resistant. That means we need hard data. Let's immediately test these primary failure points to isolate the error's source. First, accessing workspace data. Open Notion through the web at Notion.so, or install the desktop application from Notion.so/download. Sign in with your account to access all workspace pages, databases, and shared content. Notion provides real-time collaboration and cross-device synchronization. Next, exporting content. In Notion, click the three-dot menu on any page and select Export. Choose Markdown and CSV for portable text export, or HTML for formatted content. Export entire workspaces through Settings, then Workspace, then Export Content for complete data backup. Finally, importing data. Use Notion's import feature to bring in content from other platforms. Navigate to Settings, then Import, and select from Evernote, Trello, Google Docs, or other supported sources. Upload Markdown or HTML files directly for content migration into Notion workspaces. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.